If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
While Curtis started off behind the wheel of the red truck,
I have towing the bus with the Dodge. I have to get off the road a little bit, not as good as I'd like it to be, but that's okay. Gotta get to the next exit, figure out this transmission problem. Bus transmissions. What you gonna do?
the bus wouldn't stay running, and I'll admit it, I wasn't strong enough to wrestle that beast. So we swapped.
A little bit of a yoink.
I did it!
She did it.
I dragged that sucker for miles.
All anxiety ridden. Now we can go maybe have a victory beverage.
A nap.
And a nap. Alright, let's see what we gotta do here now. Looks like I may be coming to Florida to get me the number 2 transmission.
The next morning, Curtis hit the road early. He had a long haul ahead, all the way to Florida to pick up a replacement transmission. I stayed behind in Louisiana to keep an eye on the bus.
Well, it's 7 o'clock and it's time to go get transmission number 2. Headed to Florida. But first, I think we need windshield wipers. In all my years of changing wiper blades, I've never had them rusted on. That little clip is the clip that holds that on, and you can see how mangled that is. It's never happened. Today, welcome to today. Nothing to see here. The happy speed for the truck is apparently 64 miles an hour in this current weather condition of rain. The windshield wipers are a hit. They're doing very well. Next stop, we're going to go to Walmart and see if we can get some oil. You gotta keep oil in her or she's going to quit on us. And she leaks out just as fast as it uses the gasoline. All right, here we go. Well, let's go to the automotive section and see what we can do for some dead dinosaurs. We're going to be needing them. So we take this moment to say a little prayer to the Lucas gods of stop leak. Please, please, Lucas, please slow it down just enough so that I can get home. That's all I'm asking. I got 40 miles to do on Highway 49 and the rain has cleared. Current speed is 55 miles an hour. Wish I could do this all day long. Oh, that's right. I am going to do this all day long. And into the night. Truck's running pretty okay. I checked the oil an hour after driving. After topping it off with the Lucas. The Lucas gods may have blessed me. I'll check it again in another hour. And we'll see how that goes.
Just a moment, and then we also have a thing that I want to talk to you guys about.
I found this really good deal on Craigslist. It's an old Dodge. It has lots of problems. Owner says it runs and drives, but I got 821 miles to home. So let's see if we can get this old Dodge to pick up a new transmission for the bus. I wonder what Derek Barry is doing.
I don't really know.
We're in Pensacola. So it's 12:30 at night. Just made it through Jacksonville. 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm almost to Ronnie's house.
A day later, Curtis and Matthew made the long drive back. Tired but determined, with the new transmission in tow.
Wearing a fucking upside down nacho bowl fly. talking about it.
It was finally time to get to work.
Hi.
Let's go ahead and get this thing done.
It smells terrible.
Oh, that's the burn part. Yeah. Yeah. Go inside. Taking the dog out.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
What?
Oh! I should not play dodgeball.
No dodgeball for you.
Dodgeball for you.
Just over here burning shit.
One
The bolt that wouldn't come off.
that would come off. And it's hot.
I ain't touching it.
This thing back up in there. It's scaring me.
They spent the next couple of days underneath the bus, greasy, wet, and cold, doing the best to keep our sense of humor intact. Sun! Barely. She got a little rusty, huh?
Yeah, just a little flash rust. It did sit in Florida for 6 months. It's flying to have a difficulty aligning. I need less difficulty in my life.
True
Even though
that.
I have a school bus.
It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
I feel like we need to take a break after that.
Well, it's supported by itself and it is off the jack. Can't. How exciting is that?
Temperature's going down quick. With the sun. Does it hurt your arms a little?
Fingers are cold.
Oh yeah. It's a little chilly out here.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the first start, I guess, and we've got to let it run for a little bit to get a temperature, which is, with the outside temperature being 50 degrees, I'm not sure what that means exactly, but we're gonna give it a shot, but we're gonna make sure it doesn't spray out of nowhere. So, Matthew, could you go outside and just look under the bus to make sure that nothing sprays or drips, so I can turn it off in a hurry? Don't see anything? No. Okay.
Something directly under the front was pouring out. I don't know what it was.
Alright, let me go look. We know what we're aware of that.
What is that?
That's the oil cooler for the turbo.
Okay.
We're gonna ignore that right.
All right.
Woo! We're going forward.
Shift is a little off. I gotta get over there to adjust it.
Okay.
By day 4, the bus was rolling again.
And we have reverse. And forward.
But during the test drive around the parking lot, Curtis realized that the shift linkage had broken. So, in true Mad Max style, he rigged up a quick fix from what we had on hand. It might not be pretty, but it worked.
Bit from falling, I think.
Also, we think it kind of looks cool.
Moving day. Let's get more than 8 miles. All right, here we go. Getting some pulls.
Wherever we're going, I'm getting a tower tonight.
All right.
So, after a quick fuel stop, we were finally back on the road. One transmission and a whole lot of gratitude later. There's no way that we would have gotten through that without our friend Ron and our son Matthew. You guys are so appreciated. Thank you so much. We love you guys.